smelly good carpenter. Do you know what carpenter?
I became infatuated with art.
Atelston Fitzgerald Holder the First.
Yes, sir.
And you're.
Oh, I do? Oh, excuse me. I didn't know I had to.
Guys, welcome to the Jeff Richards Show. My name is Jason Tebow. My friends call me the Teeb, and that includes you.
Do you know what carpentry? Carpentry is that kind of it's a Chinese a bead. It's a type of bead, but
How are you?
First off, I'm not Jeff.
Clinical psychiatrist, psychologist.
I don't have a lot to do with the booking, you know. I don't really have anything to do with
Just kind of somebody who does that sort of thing.
Very much into the veganism, vegetarianism. What benefits do you get as a
books in general, you know?
No, I've seen that. I can gather that myself.
It just does what it wants to do, you know? I have no control over it.
Listen, Cato, I want to talk about your grooming habits. You look great. Your skin is perfect, and your hair is that the
Antagonist. Let me make sure I look. How do I look? I look good, huh?
He was a wonderful man.
Was? What do you mean was?
Feet that have been knocked around a bit.
Yeah, let her rip, Doc.
Yeah, please ask away. I mean, normally I'm a little bit opaque, but not for the great Willem Dafoe. Yeah.
So, where did you grow up?
I'm from the Midwest originally.
I am just super flabbergasted to be a guest on your show.
Listen,
this is great.
Well, you know, it doesn't necessarily work like that, and the show has historically taken place.
To do, you know? I have no control over it.
But I might. And maybe I'll eat you.
What would that cost? I'm ready.
Brad Garrett, you're on a show called Everybody Loves Raymond.
Jimmy Fallon show then.
Right, yeah.
That was before you got the Late Show.
How come you didn't come on again, man?
You know.
No, but I might. And maybe I'll eat you.
What would that cost? I'm ready.
Did you? Did you love Raymond?
And it goes back and forth and is replicated, and it's in your spine. It's
so many things that you know, I don't know, you know, and other people don't know.
1700s, just nice going, way to go, and welcome.
Thanks. Going, I'm not a big meat eater.
Well, you don't need anything else. I think that's the realization.
That's when it was the Jimmy Fallon show then.
Maybe you look like a divine spirit. You're a divine goddess.
How come you didn't come on again, man?
Maybe you look like a divine spirit. You're a divine goddess. Did you know that spirit is 12 inches of your spine?
Yeah, so.
Oh man, I just kind of lap it up. Like
in 9 years.
It's been 9 years.
In almost a choreographed.
There's because of Bruce Lee, who I'm sure you like.
It was like my online sobriquet on YouTube back in the days.
The Ponzi sauce.
I find them too mushu.
Lap it up like I'm just kind of.
Have to do with the
I have five suede jackets and 4.
So you are. I heard that you are also.
seeing you sideways right now.
Okay, how is this? Better?
Is that better? I have to introduce you because you're. Yeah, man, I haven't seen you in a while. How long's it been? How long's it been? I haven't seen you in a while.
In love with Bruce Lee, and he played Kato.
Yeah. Did you know that Kato is actually the name of a Native American tribe?
I mean, don't tell me. I don't know.
Ever done a Zoom before?
I remember someone wrote that when I did Hollywood Squares, because it was right around when things were a little gray, if you will. And someone said, this
World-renowned, best-selling author.
In for Jeff, and I'm interviewing a woman who, by the way, you just look like a million.
I'm the one interviewing you. I'm
down. No.
Yeah, wow. Wow. How you doing, man?
Hey, Jimmy.
It's good to see you, Russell Peters, man.
My friends call me the team, and that includes you. Today I'm filling in for...
So you have
empirical,
we have inferential, we have subjective.
Let's explore the philosophical aspect of mental disorder. Let's talk about solipsism.
And it's dualistic. So you have to have form and formless.
We have objective and we have anecdotal. And the way they go about evidence is a sort of circular.
You have to let me ask the question.